Hey YouTube, this is SportsFan1188. We're going to do a box break here on some Fleer Ultra SE. Picked up a box, at a pretty good price, so we're going to open that real fast. Before we get started, just want to make a mention of Eminem's 1247's next box break he's having. It's actually pretty epic. It's 12 Days of Christmas box group break. It's $75 a spot. He's going to be opening 2 boxes a day for 12 days, 24 boxes total. Got some really nice stuff on there. The link's going to be on the side. Check that out when you get a chance. Also want to mention Ren Roy 82's subscription contest. That link's on the side there too. He's giving away some really nice stuff. Check that out. Okay, we're going to crack open this box. Let's get breaking. Just 5 packs in this, but there's a hit in every box, and I've seen some cool stuff. We'll see. There we go. Let's check out the first pack. Base. Iron Man. Base, and the hit is a Miguel Cabrera. Feel for the game jersey. Nothing special. Base. Let's see what the rookie is. Cesar Jimenez. Nothing special. Okay, next pack. Yeah, I've seen some nice patches come out of these. Seen some other nice stuff.
Got a
Let's see what else. Another Iron Man. Vlad Guerrero, Swing Kings. Rookie is from the Nationals. Not sure who that is. Okay. Got a lucky 13 in the back there. See what that is.
Got a jersey.
All base here. Jersey. Mark Teixeira. No, it's a back card. Mark Teixeira. Hitting machine.
Pretty nice.
Yeah, don't have one of them yet. Okay, we got 2 more packs here.
I think this one should be the auto. Yeah, this one's the auto.
Yeah, let's check out that. Base. And the auto is Johan Santana. Nice. Numbered to 173. I don't know if you can see that. Johan Santana rookie. Nice. Wish it would have been on the Mets. We're Met fans, but
it's a nice card.
It is a nice card. I like that. There's, yeah, that's a nice hit. There's Phil's rookie. Okay, here's the last pack, and let's see what's in here.
This should be the duel. It's not a patch.
I'm trying to forget. We haven't gotten the duel yet.
This one, here's the duel.
Let's see what it is. There we go.
Brad Lidge.
Oh, he's a Philly now, but it's numbered to 160.
Nice.
Nice duel. Base. John Drake's last card. Okay, that's it. Good hit in this. Johan Santana rookie. Nice card. I mean auto, sorry. It's a nice auto card. My only Santana. So I'm going to hold on to this. Won't be any trading on this. Okay. Thanks, YouTubers. That's all.